everybody, Jim King back out here with our King Piers team in Lee Summit. Today we've lifted the north side of this house. The footing had sunk about 1.5 inches back, about 15 feet on the back side. This corner right here, we lifted the footing about 2 inches. Down here towards the end, we're looking at about 2.5 inch lift. So right now if you take a good look at that pier right there, it's been shimmed. It's ready for concrete encasement up to the top of the footing on both sides, inside and outside of the footing. It's a keyway lock. I want to explain a couple of things about what separates our King Pier methodology compared to everybody else's helical piering systems. There's many types of different names of a helical pier. But the vast difference is we do not come in here, we do not destroy the footing. We expose the footing, we clean it, and we gently raise it back up to its correct level elevations. If you do not choose this system, that's fine, but we would at least like the public to know the vast difference between the King Pier methodology and the helical pier type methodology. We do not believe in destroying the footing. We will not jackhammer off that outer edge. When you do that, you take generally a 2 foot wide footing and make it a 16 inch wide footing with a, let's say, a minimum 8 inch thick wall that's 7 foot tall. It's a lot heavier than that footing, and what's going to happen is that footing is going to go like this, and it's going to tilt because of weight. The house is going to tilt, and the only hopes that that does not happen is a helical type pier going to bedrock. You don't know if it's bedrock. You could be hitting just a stone this big, or they'll push it down to where they get enough resistance. But it's just a round pole, and the same thing happens to the helical pier that happens to the soil on the side of the house, just like this right here. There is a 2 inch gap right here. If you don't think that we're in a drought, folks, you are sadly mistaken. We are in a drought. So that is a large gap right there, and that's not what you want. So that, if it happens here, it happens down in the ground, that soil separates from that pier and the pier fails, and thus now you've got a 16 inch wide footing with a 7 foot tall 8 inch wall sitting on the edge of it. Not a good way to do it, in my opinion. So for all your foundation piering needs, give us a call, 816-288-4373. You can always go to our website, kingpiers.com. Give us a like and a subscribe on our YouTube channel. You can see all of our past and current videos. You can go there and see this video here in about 30 minutes. Our Facebook page is real good. Check all of our past and current. You can also check our photos out there of our projects. Thank you.